For us, for PV Clean Mobility Technologies, basically mobility is anything. Mobility is transportation, right? But what we are here for is making mobility clean, efficient and affordable. We are on this goal. Our goal is to offer the technological solutions that help in transformation by reducing the evaporative emissions, by reducing the particulate emissions, by reducing all other emissions, and to offer a robust product to the globe which helps to reduce the emissions.
It's a challenge right now. If you see, currently we are importing lots of technologies, and if we are localizing that, that definitely volume is a big play a big game for that. And by the support of our OEM customers, we start with the developments. Yeah, initially it gives the impact from cost wise, but yes, slowly when we get it matured, then we can have a better cost solutions with us. And it is a motive, and it is a statement from Mr. Modi as well, to do it make in India. So yes, we are following it up that, and we are working into that direction. But definitely cost is also always play a very big role while localizing the technologies. So basically, if you see, most of the technologies we localize, and more than 80% content is localized here in India. You can see some of the components like rare earth magnets and PCB components, which right now we don't have solution in India, that we are not localizing. We are still in search of the suppliers who can do this for us. But other than that, we have completely localized our components.
So basically, this challenge is an opportunity for us. What we have converted is our pumps, our solutions are the only solutions who have maximum localized content in India. So if I talk about a technology like thermal management electric water pump, our DVA is over 60% and our actual foreign buying is less than 20%. So 80% of it is already localized, complete manufacturing, complete assembly and testing also done in India. So that gives us overall competitive edge over our competition. So our electric mobility portfolio is concentrated on technological solutions which are related to thermal management. So we are into smart thermal management where we are offering some valves which are two-way linear valves, three-way and four-way rotary valves. Then a major focus is on cooling systems, which is through electric water pump. So we have a variety of range. Our range starts from as low as 15 watt, which is capable to generate a flow of 7 LPM. And then we have 30 watts, 40 watts, 50 watts, 60, 70 watts, which goes to Indian OEMs for EV. Then we have 130 watt pressure oriented pumps as well. Then we have 200 and 250 watt solution as well in the portfolio. When we say clean mobility, our idea is not only to be limited to hybrids or electrics because they are just the 2 or 3% of the mobility. We have to do a tremendous job in improving the ICE engines in the road. So what we are doing is our solutions like fuel management and air management. So in the air management portfolio, we do intake air throttle valves and some sensors. While in the fuel management, we are responsibly doing the fuel pumps, the fuel delivery modules. And what we are doing as a technological advancement is we are changing from DC technology to BLDC technology, which is a smart technology and gives a demand-based fuel flow. So when your vehicle is idle, you save the fuel, hence you reduce the emission. We use less carbon in the manufacturing because we remove some carbon brushes. We increase the life of the fuel pump by the technology advancement. We reduce the noise and we also increase the durability. Hence the total cost of serviceability and ownership increases. Serviceability reduces. Yeah.
And also we are working on ethanol, so E30 application, and the flex fuel applications. Both applications we are working. So maybe this is we see as an alternate from the gasoline fuel and the diesel fuel, and then ethanol mixing will be done by the government, and then this is direct benefit to the end customer. So that is also we are working on it, and we are working with many OEMs on that.
Maybe Mr. Nitin can also discuss about our canister purge valve, which is also 100% compatible with ethanol fuels. So we are supplying to few of the major OEMs in India, catering to half of the market share in the market. But this is one of the 100% localized, very efficient product, which is also capable for ethanol 100, along with our fuel pumps, Then this is the two-wheeler game changer. This is BLDC ethanol 100% fuel pump. So these products are already, and whatever we develop with a vision for at least 10
Yes.
years. Our belief is Indian market is still a
Still.
IC market for next 10 years at least.
Yeah, so we see almost like two-wheeler maybe somewhere around 20 to 25% by 2030, which we can see, but rest is there is an IC. So definitely we have to work into that direction as well. So we are having lots of products which cater the IC market, and yeah, for the future also we are working into electrifications.
So when you talk about a totally Indian company or a totally global company operating in India, there are various challenges in terms of capturing the market, in terms of capturing the market through technology. But what PV Clean brings is the best of two. We bring the global strengths combined with the local strengths, and we bring the best out of two. So we merge the global technology, global best standard practices with the local supply chain, local manufacturing, and local R&D capabilities to deliver solutions that are technologically and economically compelling for our customers, and to offer a rapid design and development cycle along with best quality standards. What PV Clean offers to customer is highest level of tailored approach and flexibility as per their demands. So this is where we step in as a unique solution provider, and this is where we are a pioneer in the market.
So if you see, like we this company was this JV was happened 3 years back in 2020, and in last 3 years, if you see, we did major technology localizations. Here, this pump in India earlier this was imported from many European countries. Now we are localized this with more than 80% content. This component also, yeah, so this is also like
Localized in India.
localized in India. So you see, we are working into that direction. We are localizing the global technologies in India and giving benefit to the OEMs and the end customers.
More than the cost, it is about the Indianization of the technology. Also, it provides some employment and other factors. Keeping that aside, uh, I would say there is a cost benefit to the customer, but on the other end, there is also investments into it. So, in the past couple of years, I will not declare number, but we have done huge investment in terms of localization, and we are still doing it, and we will continue to do it. So there are a lot of technologies which we are doing when we talk about, especially in terms of BLDC motors, DC motors, and in terms of drives, motor drives, small motor drives which are capable to drive products like pumps and oil pumps and other drives. Apart from this, a new technology which we are unveiling in this January 2024 is washer pump. So currently the Indian market is again dominated by Chinese and Taiwanese or other countries, which we have now localized in India, and we are already on our first business with one of our OEM client. We will be soon starting the SOP. So our idea is again to de-risk one product in India from the global supplier.